The 11 times table. In this short video, we'll look at the 11th time tables, so we'll use some tricks to help us remember them, and we'll use this box full of cubes to help us visualize them. So as the name suggests, 11 times table suggests that we do something 11 times. So if I put my hand in the box 11 times and get one cube each time, what I'm going to end up with is 11 cubes. So 11 times 1 equals 11. 11 times 2 is 22. So 11 times I do this, getting out 2 cubes each time. So the digit repeats itself, 2, 2, which makes 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4, which is 44. 11 times 5, which is 55. 11 times 6 makes 66. 11 times 7, 77. 11 times 8, 88. 11 times 9, 99. And 11 times 10, which is 110. 11 times 11. To work it out, we can break down one of the 11s into 10 and 1. So 10 times 11 is 110. Add another 11, makes 121. Or from the previous 110 that we had, add 11, it gives us 121. Now we have 11 times 12. So we can break down the 11 or the 12 into two parts. So if we break down the 11 into 10 and 1, we can do 10 times 12, 120, and one lot of 12, which is 12, so that makes 132. If we break down the 12, we can do 10 times 11, 110, and 2 times 11, which is 22. So add them together, it gives us the same answer, 132. So as you've noticed, the order does not matter. So 11 times 12 is the same as 12 times 11. And you've also seen that we're adding up 11 each time. So 11 add 11 gives us 22. Add 11 gives us 33. Add 11 gives us 44, and so on. So I suggest that you write this on a piece of paper or post it and read them out loud again and again till you've memorized them in order.